So in this problem here, we know that the density of a sphere, the density is equal to of a fixed mass varies inversely. So I know it's going to be some constant proportionality k over the radius cubed. Now you mentioned we do know from physics that this is true. Well, the fact that this is a fixed mass means that this sphere that it has, like if it's bigger or smaller, right, or bigger sphere, the mass stays the same, like it'll always be constant. So we don't worry about the actual size of the sphere. So, and we also know that, so the mass is fixed. We also know that it's 4/3 pi r cubed is going to be, that's volume. So this fraction here will actually be 3/4 m over r cubed. And so we can find the mass, but it doesn't actually ask us about anything about define the mass. We just know it's some value that we can call k that is there. And so if you want to do it, I can just say that 500 is equal to k over 10 cubed. And so k, if you solve for that, is 500, 000. And so d is equal to 500,000 over r cubed. And so then a part, you let the r be 5, and so d is equal to 500,000, oh, one too many zeros, over 5 cubed, which ends up being 4,000. And so then you can do the same kind of thing for finding b, but that's the relationship between the mass and the volume and this value k. I hope that helps.